I will show you how to get rid of hair tangles. If you have hair like Rapunzel, Revlon, One Step Volumizer Original, 1.0 hair dryer, and hot air brush. You can change settings. Dealing with tangled hair can be so frustrating and irritating. Abby used to cry and used to refuse getting her hair done or brush her hair. I don't think it's because she wants to do it on her own or wants to be independent, but I think it has to do with that she doesn't like the sensation of hairbrush scraping her scalp. Or maybe you should just have a sensitive scalp. Imagine somebody pulled your hair. Ouch. This product is available and affordable to easily detangle your hair painlessly without ripping it off. Best product to detangle hair and much more gentle on the hair. I even enjoy using it every day. So get yours and enjoy.